Here we will write a Python program to print a triangle when number of rows and a character is given by user. So in comment line we will write first we will accept number of rows to print. So in n we will accept it. So n equal to int input enter number of rows to print. Then we will accept the character to print from the user. So ch equal to input enter character. For this we will use for loop. So for I in range 0, n, and then we will use another nested for loop. So for j in range 0, I plus 1. We will print character, and to print on same line we will use end, and to separate the character we will use space. So end equal to space in single quote, and outside nested for loop to move to next line we will use print. Then we will execute this. I will enter number of rows as 5 and character as star. It will print triangle with star. If I execute again, I will give number of rows as 6 and I will give the character as $. It will print triangle with $.